Viewers, yesterday RBI Governor Mr. Shaktikanta Das has taken a very irrelevant decision on reducing the interest rates. Repo rate reduces by 40 basis point and reverse repo rate reduces by 0.25%. Viewers, RBI is going somewhat other direction which economy demands. All taxpayers still in pandemic period when all businesses are open or not open doing the compliance of filing the GST returns at least at 18% or some at 12%. RBI giving the interest rate at 4%, but still bank rates and RBI rates are not match with each other. A huge difference in their rates. Banks going somewhat other direction, RBI going somewhat other direction, and Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman is going somewhat other direction. You may see this situation as 3D: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. They all are not coincidence at one place, they are traveling in their own direction. Viewer, if such kind of thing remain continue in future, India is no longer to give the competition to developed countries. Viewer, I don't know what will happen or what RBI will do by foreign reserves taking in their pocket. If they not allot the foreign reserves to their own citizens, our citizens will die without food. At least they release some foreign reserves so that Indian citizens at least survive from food. Otherwise, no one can save India from damaging.